Social trading is an innovative approach to financial markets that allows traders to observe, interact, and replicate the trading strategies of experienced investors. It bridges the gap between novice and professional traders by creating a community where users can learn from each other's successes and failures. This approach leverages the power of social networks to provide real-time insights and strategies, making trading more transparent and accessible. On social trading platforms, users can follow top-performing traders, see their portfolios, track their trading history, and even copy their trades automatically. This feature, known as copy trading, allows beginners to benefit from the expertise of seasoned traders without extensive market knowledge. For example, a novice might follow a trader known for consistent profits in forex trading and set their account to automatically mirror the expert's trades. This reduces the learning curve and minimizes the risks associated with making uninformed decisions. However, social trading isn't just about copying trades. It's also about community engagement. Traders can discuss strategies, share insights, and learn from market analyses posted by other users. This interactive environment helps traders stay informed about market trends and develop their own strategies over time. Additionally, social trading platforms often feature leaderboards showcasing top traders based on performance metrics like return on investment, risk level, and trading frequency. This transparency allows users to select the most suitable traders to follow based on their own risk tolerance and investment goals. However, despite its benefits, social trading has its challenges. Relying too heavily on other traders' decisions can lead to complacency and a lack of personal trading skills development. Additionally, past performance doesn't guarantee future success, so copying a previously successful trader may not always yield positive results. It's crucial for users to perform due diligence and diversify their portfolios rather than following a single trader blindly. Risk management is equally important, as copying high-risk trades can lead to significant losses. Some platforms allow users to set stop-loss limits and allocate a fixed portion of their capital to copied trades, helping mitigate potential risks. Social trading is particularly popular in binary options, forex, and cryptocurrency markets, where price movements can be volatile and hard to predict. It democratizes trading by providing access to professional-grade strategies, making it appealing to beginners and experienced traders alike. In conclusion, social trading is revolutionizing the way people invest by blending social networking with financial trading. It empowers novice traders to learn from experts while enabling experienced traders to monetize their strategies by gaining followers. While it offers opportunities for profit and learning, it also requires cautious decision-making and sound risk management practices. As social trading continues to evolve, it's reshaping the financial landscape, making trading more collaborative, transparent, and accessible for everyone.